Good afternoon, class 12th. Another topic for the lesson marketing management. The topic is packaging. It is another part of product mix. The first part was branding. The second element of product mix is packaging. Packaging is a very essential element in product mix because due to package or packing only a customer is able to carry the product easily at home. Packing is to be used according to the nature and size of the product. Like we have Coke comes in bottles, Tide Surf come in bags, biscuits in wrappers, oils in jars, etc. It is an important activity. How packaging can be defined: a set of tasks or activities which helps in designing an appropriate wrapper or container or bag for the product. पैकिंग एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी है जिसमें ऐसा टास्क है जिसमें हम किसी प्रोडक्ट का रैपर या उसका कंटेनर या उसका बैग डिसाइड करते हैं. Level of packing: there are three types of packing. Number 1, primary packing. Number 2, secondary packing. Number 3, transportation packing. The first packing is primary packing. What is the meaning of primary packing? It is the first packing of the product which is just close to the item which we are going to consume. This packing remain till the product is not entirely consumed. For example, like in a plastic tube, paste is there, that plastic tube will be with us till the entire tube, that paste is not used. That is primary packing. Secondary packing: when that paste, plastic tube paste is packed into a cardboard small box, then it is known as secondary packing. There are additional packing which gives more protection. Generally consumer throw that secondary packing when they start using the product. जैसे हम सभी देखते हैं कोलगेट या कोई भी जो पेस्ट है वो प्लास्टिक की ट्यूब एक कार्डबोर्ड के डब्बे में आती है और उस डब्बे को हम आते ही फेंक देते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज सेकेंडरी पैकिंग. नाउ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पैकिंग. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पैकिंग इज मेड, दिस इज द थर्ड एंड लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ पैकिंग. It is done to carry the goods in bulk quantity from one place to another. Like all the paste of 100 grams or 200 grams in 1 dozen quantity or 2 dozen quantity, they are packed in the cardboard box. So in this way there are three type of packing: primary, secondary and transportation. Now what are the function of packaging? These are: number 1, protection. Packing provide a safety to the product. It protect the product from its outer environment, from sun rays, from rains, from moisture, from breakage, from insects. A proper packing, airtight packing will keep the goods safe for longer, and later on that product can be used easily. Like television, electronics items, they are packed in a carton or cardboard box by using thermocol. So all these things are packing provide protection. Next is identification. In many cases packing itself represent the identification of a particular company. If packing is of such kind, then this particular item will be belong to that company only. In market you can find such packing. Like Kodak product, you will find a different red color packing. In the same way, chips, Lay's chips, normally you will find a blue packing, blue wrapper packing. So a packing represents the identity of that product also. Next is convenience. What is the meaning of convenience over here? Convenience means if a proper packing is done, then it will be easy for the customer to carry the goods from one place to another place. If packing is not there, then how customer will take the goods from one place to another? How goods can be transported from one place to another? So packing makes the work easy to carry it from one place to another. Promotion. A good packing is always work as an advertisement. एक अच्छी पैकिंग एक एडवर्टीजमेंट का काम भी करती है. That's why companies keep on changing its packing from time to time. They always use attractive packing. They do packing according to the size or nature of the customer. For children, they provide separate kind of packing which attract the children to purchase that item only. So packing is also work as a silent salesman. Rising standard of health and sanitation. Packing also increases its quality. It avoids the product from contamination, from outer moisture or from rain. एक अच्छी पैकिंग प्रोडक्ट की हाइजीन को बढ़ाता है. That's why we say rising standard of health and sanitation. Self-service outlets. When we visit the shop like Big Bazaar, Vishal Mega Mart, so their goods are displayed on counters where you have to yourself pick up that goods and put up into the trolley. So packing is not there. How that self-service would be possible? So self-service outlet is also possible due to packing only. Product differentiation. A good packing always different your product from competitors' products. A good packing always attract the customer, and by if that particular company's product is lying in different company's item, so a proper packing, a good packing will attract the customer, and customer will choose that product only. Innovational opportunity. Due to packing now, new innovations are coming. Due to good packing materials nowadays, even milk, juice, etc. items, they are also coming in Tetra packing, and those items can be used even for 10 days and 15 days and even 1 month, and they don't get spoiled. So this innovation has come due to packing only. So this was one more element of product mix, that was packing. Now labeling, another important part of product mix. Labeling. What is labeling? Labeling provide information which is related to the product to the customer. What kind of information? Who is the manufacturer of the product? What is the name of the product? What are the ingredients of the product? What is the manufacturing date? What is the expiry date? Net weight, gross weight, price, how to use it? All these information which are communicated to the customer, they are printed on that product, on its packing. That is known as labeling. Labeling are attached on the product to provide more information to the customer. Product labels can be in simple tag form. That is, if loose items are there like rice, wheats, pulses, they come in carry bag of 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg. So on the bag or that container, you will find a tag where normal informations are written. But elaborative labels you will find if goods is packed in attractive packing and small packings are there. So there you will find all the details related to that particular item. Apart from details of product, some statutory warnings are also essential to be print on the packing, like chewing item, tobacco item, liquor item. Every company has to give this label on that product. Chewing tobacco or using or drinking liquor is injurious to health. So all these are also essential information which are to be displayed. Labels perform the following function. What the functions are performed by the labels, or what are the features of label? Number 1, describe the product and specify its contents. A good labeling will give the entire detail of the product, what are its ingredients, how to use it, till which date you can use it, who is the manufacturer, where you can make a complaint if problem is there. So complete detail is given through labeling. Number 2, identify the product. The label helps the customer to identify the product from various types available. For example, we can easily identify a Cadbury chocolate. अगर 10 कंपनियों की चॉकलेट अलग अलग रखी हैं, तो हम लेबलिंग की वजह से, उसके कलर की वजह से कैडबरी की चॉकलेट को अलग पहचान सकते हैं, डेयरी मिल्क की चॉकलेट को अलग पहचान सकते हैं। तो लेबल गिव्स आइडेंटिटी ऑल्सो, helps in grading. Many time labeling helps in grading also. For example, in Brook Bond company, red label, Brook Bond red label, Brook Bond yellow label, Brook Bond green label. All these are again labeling which helps in grading also. Promote sale. Labeling also increases the sale of the company because labeling itself is an advertisement. Attractive and colorful labeling attract the customer and induce the customer to buy that product only, which helps in increasing the sale. And providing information required by the law or legal requirement. Many times, as we discussed in previous point, that in labeling meaning also, it's compulsory for the government to print statutory warning for tobacco item, or what is your gross weight of the product, what is the MRP, what is the quantity of the product, its expiry date. These are some legal compulsion or legal requirement. They have to be printed on that product. So these were the function or features of labeling. So this was today's topic of the product mix, brand packing and labeling. Thank you.